guys, so today I will be doing another wig video. That's what we're doing. Okay. This unit is from Supernova wig, right here. Alright, I am a bit tired, so I don't know if you guys could see that. Got up from a nap not too long ago. I don't know what it is, but I've been feeling so sleepy lately. I don't know. So decided to try this unit on for you guys before I wait 2 to 3 weeks to do it. Okay, so they sent me a beautiful, what looks like a beautiful Burgundy unit. It really depends on how this unit turns out once I'm done putting it on, because if it comes out cute, I'm going to do a makeup look. I kind of have it in my head already, so let's, So in the box you get on how to wash your wig. You get some lashes. You get a wig strap, basically an elastic band, and you also get a little satin bag, which usually when I use these bags, I turn them inside out because you want the silky, side to be on the inside, not the outside. Just my opinion. Alright, and it has the company's name printed on it. So it's nice that they include a bag now. Before they never did. It would either be a brush or a comb. I think the bag, the satin bag, is more helpful than, a brush or a comb. Everyone has brushes or combs. Well, not everybody, but you can buy those easily. You know what I mean? So this is the unit. It is a 13 by 4 inch lace front unit with the length of 18 inches. So I kind of have an idea how this is going to look. It is a body wave texture. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like the 9JJ hair color. Isn't that pretty? Look at the waves. And it looks like it has a very, very nice pre-plucked hairline on there. Take the lace, this off. Okay. And here she is. Does have a little bit of baby hair poking out, but that's how it looks. Okay, and it has the nice curve to it. Trying to see, I don't know if you could see that, but it has like a really nice hairline shape, So it is nice that they're doing better with the shapes of the hairline instead of the egghead shape, which is not natural. Well, for most people. Some people do have like a very straight across hairline, but then it's not like super blunt. It also fades inward. So let me say that. So I'm gonna cut off the lace now that we have the lace cut off. So I might be putting some powder on that, but now that I cut it, you can see the waves in there. Okay, so it does have like a nice curvature. I'm gonna use a bit of my summer shade contour powder, so I'm just gonna flip this over like this. Ooh, what is that? Why does it come out like that? That's weird. Okay. And I'm just gonna kind of rub it on the lace, trying to focus on the edge of the lace, just to kind of deepen the lace color because it's super light. And I notice whenever I put on a wig and I don't do this, and you're just, you see, you can kind of see that it's changing. It's basically tinting your lace without, the liquid. You're just doing it with powder. I just realized this wig didn't come with a wig cap. Just realized that. Pop that in there. That works. It does come with 2 combs on the side right here, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap on the side, and you do get the extra elastic band, so just in case you want to add more security. I'm going to slide her on. Okay, not horrible. Fits pretty well. Okay, I gotta watch how I adjust that because my hairline pokes out right here. My hairline's out here. Okay. bring this a little closer. Okay, so the fact that I used some powder on the lace did help it blend in a bit more. I don't know if you guys could see that. It did really help with that. So I'm gonna try and attach it to my head. Oh faithful, got to be. Do not use this for the summertime. Your wig will slip off. Okay. Ooh, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking. Whoa. Ooh. Slow that TV some more. Yeah. Oh, never mind. I'll just do a voiceover in this part. It's fine.
Is this good?
Yeah. I'm not pulling too hard on the hair, so I'm just kind of holding it just to kind of keep the lace in place. Kind of weird seeing myself with colored hair that's somewhat red, but not like my red that I used to have that I miss so much. So much. It's easier to dry the hairspray with cool air rather than hot air. If you're doing it with hot air and it just wasn't sticking, it's because it's on hot air. I'm gonna make a part. I want to do a side part again. That's what I want to do. And that's how it looks right there. Because the hair wasn't styled like much. It was just, all the waves were just going towards the back. And put some of the, what is this? I've never known the name of this. Foam, B&B foam, I guess. Oh, we're just gonna put some of that on there. I really wish it was styled with the waves this way. That would have been so nice, but I'm gonna try and get the waves to fall with my part like that. So you see the powder does really help a lot with disguising that lace right there, but if you look right here, so you could see it. So what I like to do here, since my hairline pokes out more and it's really hard to kind of stick wigs down, like you see, onto this area right here, so I just put like a little eyeshadow that matches whatever hair it is that I have on my head. And baby hair's out. I look crazy for a little. Use some of my contour powder. This is the LA Girl Pro face powder in the shade Cocoa. I'm just gonna pat that on to the lace. Pretty much where my part is exposed and wherever you're gonna be able to see a lace. Guys, so I'm pretty happy with how this looks now. I'm going to put some curls in this, so 1 curls, just to kind of get some body in here. Okay guys, so I feel like I'm starting to get used to this. I put a little lipstick on my lips, so I feel a little cute now. Feel a little cute. And this curling one I got from eBay years ago, like a long time ago. So I don't know if they still sell it, but the brand is ISO. Really, really good curling iron. Or curling wand. Ooh. Yes. Separate that. More about the lace there. That side is not attached, so ignore it. but they're so like bouncy, so pretty. Oh, there it is. That's what I wanted. Okay. I wanted this wave look right here. Like, I don't care too much to have like a super curl. Like, I wanted this wavy look. See how fast this curling wand curls? Like seconds. Okay, seconds. 5-10 seconds. That's all you need. Such a great curling iron. I'm so happy I got it. And I remember when I was about to buy it, it was $32. And I was like, oh my god, $32 is a lot of money for a curling iron. And I just went ahead, bought it. Was it 32 or 23? One or the other. Still a lot. You know, and this is when I first started YouTube, so didn't have that much money to be just, you know, like $23. No, I didn't. I had toddlers. Like I could have spent that $23 on a box of diapers, you know what I mean? That's how I saw things. I still see things that way. Like, I don't buy certain things for myself because I think about my kids first. I'm like, what can I buy them with this instead of, you know what I mean? But I'm happy I, you know, bought it. Like, it was worth it. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. I think it looks so much better compared to when it first came out of the box. What do you guys think? So yeah, if you guys are interested in this beautiful unit, this is the 18-inch lace front unit from Supernova Hair. I'm gonna guess that the color is the 9JJ color because it is a burgundy shade. I'll have the information down below for you guys. It did come with a pre-plucked hairline. I did love the natural curvature of the hairline itself. It does have a really nice pre-plucked look, not super heavy. I would say this is like a normal thickness, not super thick where it looks very unnatural. You know, if I didn't have the hairline on the side here, I'll definitely do the whole thing, but that only works if I do the ball cap method, and it's just too much for me to do. I'm sorry, I'm just not. So yeah, if you guys have any comments or whatever about this unit, leave them down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all very soon in another video. Love you guys. Bye.